Looking for a legit way to earn money online? If you want to earn by performing simple social media tasks, this video is for you. Welcome to SoEarnIt.com. SoEarnIt is a platform where businesses create promotion tasks, and users earn money by completing those tasks. Once you sign up and log in, this is your dashboard. From here, you can access your earnings page, wallet, and other features. Now, let's talk about tasks. Available tasks are promotions posted by advertisers. Each task shows the reward and what you need to do. Before performing any task, you must link and verify the social media account you will use to complete that task. This is based on the task category. For example, to perform Instagram tasks, you must link and verify your Instagram account. This is a one-time process, and you can link more than one account per category, such as Facebook. Now, about earnings. Free users earn 50% of the task value, while upgraded users earn 100%. For example, if a task is worth 100 Naira, a free user earns 50 Naira. Upgrading helps you earn more, but it is completely optional. To claim a reward, click on a task. Follow the instructions carefully and submit your proof for review. Once your task is approved, your earnings are added to your wallet. You can withdraw your earnings once you reach the minimum withdrawal amount. You can choose to upgrade at any time. You can also earn more by inviting others using your referral link. You earn 100 Naira for every user you invite who reaches a minimum balance of 500 Naira plus a lifetime 10% from every task they complete. Referral earning is optional. SoEarnIt is perfect for students, creators, artists, and anyone looking for a side income, as well as businesses that want to advertise and grow their brand and social media. Create your free account today and start earning on SoEarnIt.